Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are here with a quick and short guide to speed up your iPhone if it's running slow. So let's get started. The first option is restarting your iPhone. You can simply hold the power button plus volume button for new models and until the slider appears and slide to power off and wait 30 seconds and restart it. Or you can also use the quick touch option available there to restart your iPhone. Once restarted, all you have to do is go to the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the settings, tap on the General option available there. Once inside the General, simply tap on the Software Update option available in there. Inside Software Update, if there is any latest update version available, then simply make sure to download it. Install the latest update for better performance of your iPhone. So, once you install it, go back to the settings general again and this time tap on the iPhone storage. So there you can see offload unused apps option available. Simply tap on it and make sure to toggle that on. You can delete apps or file you don't need. You can simply scroll down and look for all the apps you don't need and tap on it and offload it, or you can make it automatic as well. After done so, you can go to the settings general again, and if none of these steps work, then you can use this to make your iPhone speed up. Scroll down, tap on the transfer reset iPhone, tap on the reset and tap on reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.